Okay, 72 Roadrunner fans, Gause Garage coming to you from Music City Mopars, and here is a beautiful example of a 72 Roadrunner with a 400 big block. Looking at here, you can see the E68 D34 P2G. Yes, that is a 472 made in the St. Louis plant. You see there's been a marvelous attention to detail. And then you have the air grabber option on this particular vehicle. And with the B5 Blue, you can see how the white vinyl interior perfectly complements it. Chrome racing mirrors, sports steering wheel, wood grain dash, center console slapstick automatic. And look at this car, folks. You got that perfect steel wheel look. And remember, when 72 rolled around, those old Roadrunner bodies were gone. This was what you had. And they don't get the love they deserve, but these are coming into their own now. You're seeing more and more people pick these up. And look at this car. It's absolutely drop dead gorgeous. These are starting to get the love. And very tastefully done with the steel wheels. And you may not have ever considered it before, but you can see the design DNA in this car really kind of mirrors along the Challengers and Cudas. Even the B-bodies were starting to get that look, especially around the wheel wells. Wraparound steel bumper. And of course, this car is just very nicely done. And there you have it, Roadrunner fans, for 1972. B5 Blue, 400 big block with air grabber. This is Gause Garage, Music City Mopar National Show. Gause Garage, thank you.